Did you know that yellow baby skin isn't actually a problem? It's proof their body is working perfectly. When babies are born, something amazing happens. Inside the womb, they need extra red blood cells because there's less oxygen. Think of it like having extra workers for a tough job. But once they take their first breath, those extra cells become useless, so the body destroys them fast. This creates a yellow substance called bilirubin, like leftover paint from a renovation project. The baby's liver tries to clean up this yellow mess, but it's brand new and can't keep up. So the bilirubin builds up under the skin, turning the baby yellow. This is completely normal. It's like breaking in a new car. Everything needs time to work smoothly. Sometimes doctors use special blue lights to help break down the extra bilirubin faster. The light actually changes the yellow substance so the body can get rid of it easier. Most babies clear this up in a few days. Their liver gets stronger, the cleanup finishes, and the yellow fades away naturally.